Hi viewers, this side Simran Sandhu. Welcome back to our channel. We hope that you're all doing good. Isn't it interesting how the entire nation is becoming digital back in few years? It's interesting how you can pay your bills online, how you can order food and groceries online, how you can talk to your loved ones online, how you can see them across countries digitally. We have become so dependent on technology for our daily routine. How about your mother who's excited to learn new recipes from YouTube? And how about WhatsApp family video calls? And how about when your chai wala asks you to pay from Paytm? Do you realize how are we becoming so dependent on online? And this lockdown in the entire world has the major impact on boosting our digital needs. The world is supposed to work from home, study from home, teach from home, and do everything from home. And because of that, video and audio conferencing has become basic and necessity for every organization, firm, sector, and even for employees. And when we talk about video conferencing, there are few major players such as Zoom, Skype, and WebEx. You are getting it totally right. You have been listening this Zoom app a lot lately in either all the news channels or in the news articles. So let's check out actually the story behind Zoom app controversies. And if you are using Zoom app or someone whom you know uses Zoom app, should stick with me for the entire video. We're coming up with some great facts. Zoom app is basically a video conferencing app which is headquartered in US, and it's a very easy to use, free of cost, and very easy to share application. Above all, it can enable more than 100 people at the same time for video conferencing, and all that with the least amount of glitches and pauses. Due to these reasons, Zoom app is the most used app. There were 10 million users of this app till December 2019, and there are now above 200 million users of the app in March 2020. But with the increased number, that means the increased amounts of risk. There have been many doubts about this app in the past also. And recently, Ministry of Home Affairs Advisory officially announced that this app is not a safe platform for use. The government on 14th of April has announced Innovation Challenge for Video Conferencing Solution, in which they will be aiming to form a new team which will make an Indian video conferencing app for the first time. Just like Russia and China, they have their own video conferencing app for their own countries. This is not the first time when Zoom app has been pointed out, but also CERTA, that is Computer Emergency Response Team of India, has also issued advisories on 6th of Feb and March, in which they mentioned that the servers of this app is based in China. That is, the critical infra is based in China, and due to the bad encryption, this app is prone to hacking and spying. In simpler words, due to the bad encryption, it becomes easy for the third party to hack or leak the important information of this app. There already have been 5 lakh Zoom accounts that have been hacked by different hackers, and they have sold it to the dark webs already. Few sources claim that the information is being sold to Facebook. Not only this, the BARC, Broadcast Audience Research Council, they were actually in between a media briefing through Zoom app, and that got all hacked. Considering all the above destruction, few countries have completely put ban on the use of this app, which includes Taiwan, Singapore, and Germany. In India, 16th of April, CERTA has said to the government that they should not use Zoom app for any governmental conferences. And recently, Ministry of Home Affairs have come up with a set of guidelines. Now, if you want to use this app anyways, then you really need to keep all these guidelines in your mind while using Zoom app. So let's take a look what are these guidelines actually. Number 1, create a new ID password for every new meeting. Number 2, create a waiting room in the app so that a user can enter the meeting whenever the host allows him to. Number 3, Disable join feature before hosting. Number 4. Allow screen share by host only. Number 5. Disabling allow removed participants to rejoin. Number 6. It is highly recommended to restrict or disable file transfer. Number 7. When all your participants have joined, it is advised that you lock the meeting. Number 8. Restrict the recording feature. And number 9. Do not just leave but actually end the meeting. Now all of you must be wondering that those Zoom people, are they doing anything to actually fix what has happened yet? And the answer is yes. Eric Yuan, who is the founder of Zoom app, he has stated that the next 90 days they are going to be working on the application to actually secure the privacy and to actually check what has gone wrong, and they are trying to fix it, and they will soon be coming up with more reliable and safe features of Zoom app. Do you want to delete Zoom app from your phone or laptop or tab or anything? Let me help you out. There are 2 tiers of the Zoom app audience. First is free and basic audience, and second is those who have taken the subscription. So the first type of audience, which is free and basic audience, they can terminate their account going to the account profile, and those who have taken the subscription, they have to first end their subscription and then they can go to the account profile and then terminate their account. And that's how you'll be able to delete the app. Now the next big concern that comes up is, if not Zoom app, then what? Well, there are many various video conferencing apps that you could use. We are naming few. Let's check out. Number 1, Google Meets. Number 2, Microsoft Teams. Number 3, Skype. Number 4, WhatsApp. Number 5, Slack. Number 6, Google Duo. Number 7, Messenger, and many others. Moving towards the end of the video, I would like to tell you, and I would like to request you, that you guys have to be really careful whenever you are using any online platform, because you know the consequences. They can actually get to your private information. They can actually access your webcams if they hack your computers or laptops or whatever. So that is the reason that you have to be really careful while using any online platform, be it any social media platform, be it any other applications. So please stay safe, and if you like our video, please like it and share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming up with more content. Till then, be home, stay safe, and spread love. Thank you very much.